Hello guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel for another useful and informative video. So guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how can you fix cannot connect AirPods or unable to connect AirPods with iPhones. So guys, if you are unable to connect your AirPods to your iPhone, here I will show you how can you connect your AirPods to your iPhone. So guys, here I will give you some possible solutions that will help you to fix this problem. So guys, the very first solution to this problem is that simply reset your AirPods to fix this problem. So guys, here I will show you how can you reset your AirPods. So guys, if you want to reset your AirPods, simply open the case of your AirPods and long press the button behind it for 30 seconds. So guys, simply open the case and then long press the button behind it for 30 seconds and reset your AirPods, and then try to connect your AirPods to your iPhone. So guys, after this, if you are still unable to connect your AirPods, there is a second solution, that is you will have to just restart your iPhone to fix this problem. So guys, restart your iPhone and then try to connect your AirPods to your iPhone. So guys, after this, the third solution to this problem is that you will have to reset all settings on your iPhone to fix this problem. So guys, for that, open settings and then from here scroll it below and tap on general, and from here tap on transfer or reset iPhone, and then again tap on reset. So guys, simply reset all settings from here by giving your passcode and then try to connect your AirPods to your iPhone. So guys, if still you are unable to connect your AirPods to your iPhone, you will have to update your software to the latest version of iOS. So guys, open settings again and tap on general, and from here tap on software update. So guys, from here you will have to update your iOS version to the latest version of iOS. So guys, update your software and then try to connect your AirPods again to your iPhone. So guys, after these solutions, hopefully your problem will be fixed and you will be able to connect your AirPods to your iPhone. So guys, that's it for today's video. If you have liked this video, please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.